guys, welcome to a new vlog. I am so tired today. It is a wonderfully chilly 52-degree day and it's been raining all morning and it's been so cozy and hard to get moving along. But I forced myself into a hot shower and I did my whole routine. I have my perfume on today. I wasn't feeling like anything fall-esque today, nothing spicy or vanilla. This is Replica's Beach Walk. This is a really, some of you have asked me, Kina, what do you like for every day? Like a just simple, clean, everyday skin scent. And this is the one that I recommend to most people. This is just clean, not too floral, not too soapy, just a perfect balance of your skin, but better where you're like, like that smile, that instant smile and happy feeling of that's perfect for every day. So that's what we're doing today, and we're gonna do some cleaning. I have a lot to do. Chris has been in Las Vegas for the past 5 days and I have been feeling not my best. Not my best. So staying true to my Latin roots, whenever I feel this way, I just clean. I clean with my Fabuloso and I disinfect my bathrooms and mop my floors and I feel so much better. I might get some laundry done today too. We're just going to go about cleaning. Should we do a quick outfit of the day? Black sweatshirt, high-waisted gray sweatpants. These are the best. I cannot stop talking about these sweats. I have them in every color available. These are from Old Navy and they're super ultra high-waisted. Makeup, let's talk makeup. This is the lip color that everybody always asks me about. You know how you can have a signature scent? This is my signature lip. It's an everyday, just beautiful mauve, and it is Maybelline's Matte Super Stay ink in the color Lover. On my eyes, I am wearing a new cool toned palette. Perfect for every day. I'm excited to show you guys that, but all of that is going to be in my Amazon haul. So let's get to cleaning and then we're gonna make a chili and sweet cornbread for lunch or dinner. Let's clean. Ooh, you guys, let's take a quick little break. Am I taking a break or am I done? I'm so tired. I might be done cleaning for the day, actually. Sephora. I have a Sephora order. Does that have fuzz? I have dust on the lens. I literally just cleaned it. How did I miss that? Anyway, let's open it up together. I'm so excited. I'm getting into makeup again. And I placed a pretty big order. It's not really a lot of things, but Sephora is so friggin' expensive. Okay. I'm just gonna show you what I got. So I picked up this lash lifting mascara. It's by Lancome, and I heard really good things about this, good reviews. I want a mascara that doesn't get like clumpy and crunchy and hard and all of that. And then I got the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I just want to see what it looks like. I'm gonna take everything out of the package. That's what it looks like, very thin and chic. Love that. Let's see what the mascara looks like. Since I'm using the lash, oh, that is so pretty. Look at that packaging. My goodness. Yeah, since I'm putting lash serum and trying to get my lashes back in order, I might as well get a quality mascara. And I heard nothing but good things about this. What else? Oh, and a face primer. Smooth and Blur Primer. So this one was an affordable primer because I want to blur these pores, right? Wow, that has like no packaging. I got a matte blush. I was looking for something cool toned. Look at this color. It's kind of a gray. I don't know, I just wanted something that was close to bronzer, but yeah, more cool. And I thought that would, we'll see how that works out. The Natasha Denona palette. I got the brand new one, I Need a Nude palette, it's called. I've never had an expensive palette like this before because, you know, I don't really wear a lot of shadows, and I thought, why waste my money? And then, I don't know, I'm starting to get into eyeshadows again. This is heavy. Ooh, look at these colors. Lots of pinky nudes, lots of fall colors you can create with this, but still appropriate for spring and summer, winter. I feel like I could wear this all year round. I'm so excited to try it. And then the last item is a lipstick, and this is by YSL in the color Rose Nude. Ooh, that's creamy. Wow, very, very moisturizing, hydrating. And I got a pink color. Probably more appropriate for summer, spring, but I just love my pinks, and you can always mix them with the brown. Oh my God, it smells like candy. So YSL lipsticks are like $43. They're so expensive, but wow to the packaging, wow to the scent, wow to the formula. I bet this feels amazing on the lips. I wonder if they all smell like watermelon. That is so good. I would rather spend $43 on a lipstick that I'm super excited to wear rather than, you know, 10 drugstore ones that I think are pretty good. I want to be wowed. Like, I'm at the age now where I need things to wow me. This is the Rouge Shine Lipstick Balm. Medium coverage, hydrating lipstick with high shine, balm-like texture that conditions and moisturizes the lips. Infused with 6 natural oils to hydrate for balm-like comfort and smoothness. That's why. Since the cornbread's gonna take the longest, we're gonna cook that first. It. I didn't grow up eating cornbread with chili, but when I met Chris in Oklahoma, that's definitely when I fell in love with cornbread, especially the sweet kind. I didn't really know about their kind of sweet tea and sweet cornbread and all of that, so this is a favorite for us. I love a lot of toppings in my chili, so green onions and pickled jalapenos, some sour cream, cheese. The toppings are what make it. They're like nachos. There we go. I just popped this in the oven for about 29 minutes. Organic grass-fed beef, adobo, garlic powder, crushed red pepper, or you could use cayenne, paprika, chili powder, rosemary, oregano, and a hint of nutmeg. I used 1 can of the crushed fire roasted tomatoes. I think this gives it such a good flavor. And then I added all of my cans of beans, the ones that come in a chili sauce already. I just like a lot of flavor, so I used these red beans and then the kidney ones. I used 3 cans of beans. The kids and Chris like it very meaty, so 1 pound of beef and 3 cans of beans. So yeah, we're just gonna let this simmer. The cornbread is just about done. It has maybe 5 minutes left on it, and then the toppings is where it's at. I've made this so many times on my channel. You guys are probably like, yes, we get it, chili. Hands down my favorite thing to eat in the fall. We get a little bit of everything. The sweetness of the cornbread, so good. I'm going to enjoy this while watching Casper the Friendly Ghost. Such a cozy movie. One of my favorites when I was a kid. Yeah, I'm excited.